The metaverse is expanding. The next step in the development of the internet is known as the metaverse is on its way. There are multiple ways wherein you can invest your money and earn from the metaverse. So in this video, we are going to discuss top 5 ways in which you can invest in the metaverse and make money from the metaverse.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in crypto. If you like money and crypto, make sure you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon. Also, if you'd like to discuss anything related to cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram, join our family. The link for that is given in the descriptions below as well as in the pinned comments. So without further delay, let's jump on straight into the metaverse and understand what the metaverse is all about. So the metaverse is better defined as a quasi-successor condition of the internet, similar to how the mobile network built on and continued to expand the hardline internet of the 1990s and the 2000s. The metaverse will be made up of innumerable continual digital environments that interact with each other and along with the physical world generate a thriving economy which extends labor and free time while trying to transform long-standing industries and markets such as banking and finance, sales and education, fitness and health, and other. So in this video, we are going to look at 5 different ways how we can actually make money into the metaverse. So let's jump into the first point. The first way on how you can make money in the metaverse is by investing directly into the metaverse tokens. If you go to coingecko.com and search on all categories and filter metaverse, you will get a list of all the metaverse tokens available. Currently, the leading metaverse tokens are the likes of Axie Infinity, which has a market price of $134, Sandbox, which has increased by 3-folds in the last 20 days and is currently priced at about $6.18, Decentraland, Engine Coin, Illuvium, UFO Gaming, and there are plenty more options available to you as well. Where you can invest on these tokens, there are multiple exchanges, but KuCoin is the #1 exchange where you can actually invest in these metaverse tokens, and KuCoin offers you a lot of metaverse token to put your money into. Apart from KuCoin, you can also invest in Binance as well. So if you don't have an account on KuCoin, head straight down to the description below. You will find a link to sign up on KuCoin. If you sign up using our link, you will get a 40% discount on the trading fees as well. So some of the metaverse tokens have given great returns. For example, Sandbox, as I mentioned, it rose by more than 3x in the last 1 month itself, right? So wherein Facebook announced its rebranding to Meta on October 28th. From that particular day, from the lows of 0.76 cents, it has actually increased to more than $8 actually, and it gave investors return in more than 10x. Apart from that, Axie Infinity, as we know, the game in itself, it also catered to the metaverse. It started its journey back in October last year, but it was in June this year that it went straight from $3 to the highs of about $150 and more as well. Decentraland is one of the first movers in the metaverse category. It had entered into the metaverse when no one was actually talking about it, so it has got the first mover advantage, and it's currently valued at about $4.05 with a market cap of about $5.38 billion. So I personally believe that Axie Infinity, Sandbox and Decentraland will give us great returns in the coming times. If I have to talk about some of the other metaverse tokens which I am pretty confident about, they include the likes of Meta Hero, which we have discussed in detail in our channel as well. If you can click the link above my head, you will be able to view the Meta Hero video as well. Apart from that, there are tokens like Engine Coin, Illuvium, UFO Gaming, so on and so forth. So investing in metaverse tokens is the first and the initial step on how you can invest into the metaverse. Now let's try to understand what are the other categories. The next category of investing in the metaverse includes purchasing of in-game NFTs. Now NFTs could be anything within a game. It could be your virtual avatar, it could be your gear, it could be an upgrade to your skills, it could be your weapons, it could be even virtual land as well. So if we take a quick example of Decentraland, so this is the Decentraland marketplace where you can actually purchase assets which are related to the characters. These include the likes of dresses, it could be your headgear, it could be virtual pieces of land for here, and there could be a plenty of other things as well. Now there are two ways in which you can actually buy these NFTs. Number one, you can buy from the marketplace of the game itself. Also, what you can do is you can head over to OpenSea.io and you can purchase various other NFTs directly from OpenSea.io as well. Mind you, OpenSea is an Ethereum based NFT marketplace, so the gas fees might be higher as well. Similarly, if we take a quick look on the Axie Infinity marketplace, you can buy Axies directly from the Axie Infinity marketplace. As on this date, the total sales of these NFTs of the last 24 hours are 75,120 and the total volume is about 16.74 million, and 75,000 Axies have been sold in the last 24 hours. If I go to the last 30 days, this would be pretty massive. There has been a sale of 2.6 million NFTs on the Axie Infinity marketplace. The total volume is about 750 million, and 2.6 million Axies were actually sold on the Axie Infinity marketplace as well, which is the largest NFT based game as far as the market cap is concerned currently. So you can purchase in-game NFTs directly either from these marketplaces, or you can head over to OpenSea.io or some of the other well-known NFT marketplaces as well. The next way on how you can invest in the metaverse is by purchasing virtual land. Now we will make a complete video guide on how you can purchase land on the metaverse, but for a starter, you can buy lands on metaverse on the OpenSea.io platform as well as on dedicated marketplaces of the particular metaverse that you are referring to. For example, if we go to Decentraland marketplace, we can search about the lands and we can buy and invest in lands. Lands on the metaverse have been selling for upwards 5,000 Ethereums, that is in the Vegas city. Now 5,000 Ethereums is worth more than $20 million at the current price of $4,000 per Ethereum. Now if I have to talk very quickly about the lands that are available on OpenSea, some of the lesser prices are of the lands which are currently on auction. It has a price of about 1.5 Ethereum. So the lands on the metaverse are selling like hotcakes in the market, and it is the latest trend. We would soon be making a video on how you can buy land on different metaverses, where there will be a complete guide which will be published from our side as well going forward. Now the next way how you can invest in the metaverse is by investing in metaverse company stocks. Now there are a few companies which have already started exploring the metaverse. For example, Facebook has renamed itself to Meta. Microsoft has said that they are also coming into the metaverse. Apart from that, there are companies who are also facilitating the creation of these metaverse, like for example 3D rendering apps, servers, networking technologies, chip production, VR based technology companies. So you can invest in a few of these companies. What are those companies? That could be Apple, Nvidia, Roblox, Unity, apart from Facebook and Microsoft, which are the current leaders in the metaverse stocks price as well. The fifth category is by investing in the metaverse index. Now what is the metaverse index? The metaverse index is meant to capture the pattern of entertainment, sporting activities and business moving to the virtual world. Metaverse index could be a lucrative investment option for those looking for digital currencies with a higher return. If I have to talk about the current price of the metaverse index is at about $291, and it has actually declined in the past 24 hours by 7%. But if I quickly take a look on this metaverse index for the past 30 days, you will see that it has risen from the lows of about $220 and it made highs of approximately $367. Where you can buy the metaverse index? You can buy the metaverse index on Uniswap. The ticker is MVI, as well as on who.com as well. Mind you, for investing in Uniswap, it is a Ethereum based network and the gas prices will be very high over there, so trade very cautiously. So these are the few ways how you can make money on the metaverse, which is a current trend coming into the market. It's been only about a month that Facebook has announced their rebranding to Meta, and ever since then the Metaverse has actually taken off. I feel this has a great potential to grow. If I have to talk about the market cap, it's only valued at about $33 billion. I think the Metaverse is going to be a $1 trillion industry, and some of these tokens that we are seeing currently, like the top token currently is Axie Infinity, which is ranked number 25 in regards to the market cap, with a market cap of $8.8 billion. I feel few of these tokens could actually be in the top 10 as far as the market cap is concerned, and in order to become in the top 10 they would need a market cap of at least $27 billion. So approximately we are looking at about 3 to 5x for some of the top Metaverse tokens. Mind you, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you like the content, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon. Also, do not forget to share this video with your friends and family, because Metaverse is a new pattern, is a new trend that is coming into the crypto space. We are already 1 month into it, and you never want to be late in the crypto space, because if you're late, then you're missing out on a lot of opportunities. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.